As a student in University of Abuja, you have always been told of how sensitive your portal is. If you give the access to any other person, it could affect your study. For example, the person could change your email, could change your phone number, could change your password and lock you, the rightful owner, out of the portal. And the worst part is that it might be at crucial time that you need access to the portal, maybe for clearance and for whatever purpose, payments and all that. Yeah. Now, how to reset your password? Yeah, what you will do is the moment you log in, using your matric number and your surname as a default password, you'll be required to change the password. Good enough, the portal will prompt you to do that. If you make any effort without changing it, let me say I'm making efforts to requery payments, the portal will prompt me that I need to change from default password as you are seeing on the screen. Now, until I do that, I won't have access to the portal, as in to other functions of the portal. That you can see, you are required to change your default password. So what you're going to do is you head straight back to this old password, input it. This is the old password, right? Now the new password. You type the new password here, you type it here. Immediately you do that, you click on change password. The moment you do a click on change password, it will change the password and automatically gets you logged out. So you will need to relog in using the same new password that you just changed to. Is that clear? You have to change after you have changed it. You will need to use the new password, not the old one. Like you can see, your password has been changed successfully. Relog in to confirm the changes. Click OK, then that gets you out of the portal. The moment you are out of the portal, then you can be able to log in with the new matric number and the new password. Sila.